Laser-assisted periodontal surgery is another way that we can treat periodontal disease. In this procedure, we use laser using a specific wavelength that we take underneath the gum with a little tiny rod that has the light from a laser in it, and it is effective against the bacteria that cause gum disease. It is also effective against inflamed, infected tissue. So what this does is doesn't remove any of your healthy gum. It removes only the diseased gum, and it kills the bacteria that cause gum disease. Because it is a very small area and it's targeted specifically, there's not nearly as much post-operative discomfort as with traditional periodontal surgery. The laser light also initiates healing in the body, so it can help the gums heal faster. So not only is there less discomfort with this procedure, but it also heals very quickly.